is it? What day is it? It's Fun Knife Friday. And we got a nice fun knife here, if I turn it the right way around. And this is a Zombie Nick from Rough Rider. And there's a model number there, RR1455. Let's take a look at it. Zombie Nick pocket knives. You gonna sit? Peanut, sit. Stay and don't you go anywhere. Don't you go anywhere, Nuggy. Peanut's got his eye on something, I don't know what. But if it's a coyote or something, he'll take off at about 30 miles an hour. And I might have a job getting him back, so let's hope it's not a coyote. Anyway, Zombie Nick. Look at this thing. Ooh. Here we go. It's a big, I forget what this is. Is it a elephant toenail? Or something like that. I'll put it in the, I'll put it up here somewhere and the measurements and all that, because I didn't bring a measuring stick with me. Beautiful. Look at how fat that is. That's a big fat blade. Nice long nail pearl, and with the Zombie Nick logo on there. And it's got another one. Another nice blade there. A smaller one. Still quite a chunky blade. And this is in 440 razor sharp steel. It says so right there. Nice brass liners. Brass pins. Nickel silver bolsters. Interesting, you see how they cut the bolsters in. You see the line there, and then underneath the line it's a little thinner this side than this side, and on this side you can see it even more. I'd love to see how they cut in the bone, because this is a beautiful green bone here. Yeah, very nice. I like that Zombie Nick badge there. Pretty nice. And of course, friends, don't let friends eat friends. So anyway, this is my Fun Knife Friday knife for you for today. Sharp as a razor. Not all that clean inside. I mean, this is fresh out the box. This is the first I've looked at it. To give plenty oil. There's oil on here. But, yeah. Nice little fun knife. Pretty big, heavy thing really. Let's give a size comparison. What can we give a size comparison with? What have we got today? We got we're all American today. We got the case, tribal lock, the name almost forgot the name there. This is in burnt purple, jigged bone. Nice lockbacks. So there's a size comparison to that one. Yeah. There you go. It's hard for me to do this outdoors. Let's get an aerial view. It's always better. There's the aerial view of the size. If you know what size this tribal lock is, you get an idea. Yeah, it's got really nice snap to this thing. Let's see where it kicks off at. Ooh, wind's picking up. Yeah, nice snap. Nicely centered blade there. And the other one, yeah, it's about as good as you can get. They're not rubbing. Centered nice walk and talk. Beautiful green bone. Zombie Nick. I got a channel for you guys to check out. Check out Nikki St. Laurent. Awesome channel. She does all kinds of stuff. She's a patriot through and through. She's an awesome person, and yeah, go check out her channel. She does leather work, fire starting, knives. She carries a gun. So, you know, awesome channel. I love the channel. Go check it out. There's a link down below, take you straight to it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think about Zombie Nick. There's Peanut there, look at him. Hey Nuggy. Hey kitty kitty. Hey kitty kitty. Psst, psst, psst. That confused him. Hey kitty kitty. Psst, psst, psst. He's looking for the cat. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.